Hello everyone, this is Trader Ali, and on this video I'm going to analyze EURUSD UR dollar. Remember, this video is only for educational purposes and I'm not responsible for any profit or loss of your trading. I personally use these zones that I found here and I personally trade with these zones, but I do not recommend trading by them because I also have my own risk management and money management, which are really important in the trading world. Okay, for the first step, I'd like to go to the last year, to the recent year actually. It is our daily chart. We want to see important daily chart levels. As I have told in later videos, I don't force myself to draw a channel. It seems to be a good one, but it's not really strong. I don't like it. I don't see it as a channel. Yes, it was not a channel actually. I know you can draw a channel here, but I don't take it as a strong one. The one thing that I like to see about the last year of EURUSD, and remember, it's a technical analysis. I see that, yeah, despite this some minor moves here, we are seeing great rejection here. We do have a great rejection here actually, but it is still bullish. I can say that we're not super bullish like these times, like around February to end of the April, but we are still kind of bullish, just something between range and bullish. I can draw a channel here. No, I can't. It's not actually really important for me. They're not valid, but I can draw some lines. I can say, yeah, this is a trend line that it has broken. Now we have a kind of reversal to it, and maybe we could have a lower time frame channel around here. It is kind of confirmed. It is valid for me. Now this is a valid channel, but it does not belong to the last year. It is just around for yeah, it is valid from maybe middle of the April. So I know how important it is. Okay, and let me, the white should be the green line should be lower, but it's not important because it is now broken. So what is this channel going to tell us? We see that we were previously super bullish. You remember that? Yeah, it was around here. We were super bullish. Now we have formed a channel around here. We see a higher high, higher lows, and sorry, it was a mistake. In the latest higher high is not really strong, and we see some strong bearish candles. As you can see, sellers are really strong on these days, and this trend line which has formed the channel has broken around here. Yeah, it is broken, and we see a reversal to them. So what do I expect? I expect more bearish days. And where do I expect for a return? It is obvious that we could have another channel from here. From here to like somewhere around here, yes. But let me go to the 2-8 channel to just make it optimize with our time frame. Yeah, this is the day that the interest rate has released. I expect more actually bearish days. But before everything has been completed, sorry, I want kind of this line is broken, but I want to see if we do have it, if we have had a channel around here. It's a sharp channel, and sharp channels are ready to be broken. Yeah, it is broken again. Let me go to the last 3 months and see what I see around here. And I like to delete this one because it's not any more important for us. And I don't want these lines again. I want a clear chart for the 3 months late, actually 3 months. Yeah, I see we do have a, still we might have a bullish channel here or something about it. But it's not real time. Why? Because we don't see strong reaction to the middle. Yeah, we have seen some, but it's not really strong. So here is the point of this side. You know what is it? We see this zone is really important. Why this zone is important? Because I have seen many reactions to this zone. You know, as you can see, I have seen many reactions to this zone. Okay, the one again, it is broken and it's go up. So you can see this is another reaction. Even this was a reaction, and yeah, you can consider it a broken zone. But again, we have seen a reaction to this zone here. So what's going on here? We have, let me delete this one. We have a bullish channel. If you look at it, it's what do we get from this this channel? We get that, yeah, we might form a like something like this. Okay, maybe we do have some reaction to this zone and to this dynamic zone, I mean middle of the channel. But we have also one thing that could stop us. It was that thing. Was that line that is broken. So you might think that it's going to go up, but in my experience, these powerful shadows could actually make your trend lines a little higher than its normal one. Not here. I don't say that you should draw it around here, but maybe around somewhere around it could be good enough. So I think, yes, while we have seen a trend line that is broken, this trend line, as you might get, it is broken, and we have a reaction to bottom of channel. Everyone thinks that, yeah, it is going to go higher and higher, as you can get. Technically, we are doing the technical analysis, but you know, one important place that could make it a fake breakout, it's here, as you can see. And the other one is the fact that this could be our channel. We might have this channel too. It's a bearish channel. It is also confirmed. Which one is stronger? Let me tell you which one is stronger. I think the mid time frame, which is the channel we do have here, is greatly stronger. So how am I going to trade with that regarding these powerful bearish moves? And this one, you know that this was a powerful bearish move. Again, this was another powerful bearish move. Again, here I think sellers are really strong. But if the sellers just fail to hold this line, I mean, if we see a broke over this line, I could take a line to maybe top of the channel, and my first TP would around here, and my latest TP, my last TP, second TP would be around top of the channel. But till now, I will wait to see if this line, this trend line is broken, if this trend line break in the next week, and I see some kind of consolidation. I mean, I see that buyers are not so powerful. Any entering to this zone for me is a sign of reaction to bottom of the channel, or maybe around here, which is again a strong support zone. So I do have two scenarios. First one, for the last time, I like to summarize my analysis. The first one is this broken off this zone. Why this line? Because as you can see, we have seen previously strong sellers around, so sellers are still strong. Okay. And the second scenario is that if we see this trend line is broken, why this trend line? Because this trend line is kind of correspond this one, as you can get. Yeah, we have one reaction, second reaction. It is not a reaction, but if I zoom in, you will get that, yeah, there were some buyers. Yeah, there was someone who believed just like me. It is actually important line. So we have seen a reaction to this. And I think breaking this one would activate for us, which is actually this broken. But if we see a consolidation here, maybe I could even delete this trend line. If I see a consolidation here, you know, if I see a sharp move, I will not consider it soon. But if I see a consolidation here, I will wait to short from this zone to this bottom. And remember that on Friday, we will have some news for, it is the CPI news. Hope we would have that. And we do have CPI news of United States and PMI news for both Eurozone, more importantly, Germany and United States. Goodbye.